double check this. I right click on the computer icon and you can see it's Windows 7 Home Premium. And I've had this computer about 6 years or so, and it was my main computer. I had another desktop as my backup, but it was over 10 years old, so I got rid of it. Bought me a brand new Dell computer with Windows 8.1 and quickly put my reservation in for Windows 10, and in a few days I got the confirmation, so I am running now Windows 10 on my brand new computer. So I'm just learning the operating system for Windows 10. I like it a lot. It's similar to Windows 7, but a few other features that make it extra special. In this video, I'm going to download Windows 10. If it satisfies the necessary criteria, I don't know what they'll tell me after I get my confirmation on whether it's going to go or not, but I did make my reservation on this one. The official download was July 29th of this year, 2015, and most people put in their reservations prior to that. I didn't do it until August, a few days ago. Like I said, I got my confirmation for the new computer quicker than I did for this one, so I don't know whether this one's going to go through or not. But the download for the new one took about 45 minutes to 50 minutes or so. Again, the Windows 7 has a regular startup menu. We have your favorites. You have the taskbar here. And over here, one of the things you need to be doing, of course, if you're going to apply or reserve your Windows 10 download, is make sure your computer, your Windows operating system is up to date, whether you have Windows 7, Windows 8, or Windows 8.1. Make sure you have it auto set, or go ahead and just manually do it yourself just to make sure. And then when you do, you'll get this little window over here that I'll click on, this icon here for Windows. So it says get Windows 10. And then once you apply for the reservation, you'll get a confirmation, and they'll tell you that they'll let you know whether it's a few days to a week or so. Haven't got my confirmation here, but in this video what I'm going to do is a before and after. So this is what my desktop looks right now, and if you're familiar with Windows 7, you know what it can do. And as soon as I get the download on Windows 10, I'll go ahead and finish this video and continue. But for right now, like I said, it's going to be a before and after. Okay, I'm back. It took about 2 days from the start of the video before I got the notification that Windows 10 was on its way. I had a bunch of updates, about 23 to download, but as it turned out, the download of Windows 10 failed about 8 or 9 times, so I had to do a little research in order to fix the problem. Like I said, I did download Windows 10 on my new computer that I bought a few days ago, about a week ago, and that one went pretty smooth. The computer that I'm doing this video for is about 5-6 years old, I guess. So I figured I'd have some problems, and by doing the research that I did, I saw that there was a lot of people having problems. But basically, it took several days. I couldn't figure out why it wouldn't download, and I kept getting the error 802-40020. That's 802-40020. And it turned out that the Windows download file was corrupted, so I had to go through and delete it. So basically, before I go into that, this is what it looks like now. I click on the Windows icon, and you have the apps there. So I got the main ones that I use come up here. Then you got these tiles over here, and you can organize these. Right click on them, and you can resize them. I have them set to medium right now. You can pin them to the taskbar if you want, and I have it pretty much as big as this. If you go put the arrow here, you can see where you can go and make it wider if you want. I like it about that size, and you can go up also. You can move these around. Just click and hold. There, or you can put it back. You can move them around, whatever you want to do with them. And of course down here you have all your apps. So I'll click on this. You got them all in alphabetical order, so that's nice. So any new programs that you load will be placed over here somewhere, unless you move them to the start. For example, if I right click on this one, see, it allows me to pin it to start, pin it to the taskbar, uninstall, and so forth. And then over here on the right, you can just click over here and it goes to the desktop. Or you can do Windows D, goes to the desktop. I did change my background. I had UT Longhorns over here in the background. Changed it. I also refiled some of my icons here, programs and so forth, so it doesn't look as messy as it did in the initial part of the video. So I am getting just used to this Windows 10, but I really do like it. Like I said, over here you get notifications. Click on this icon over here. I got a notification from Time Warner. Click over here on all settings. And of course you can check different things, personalize your computer and so forth, your accounts. And over here, of course, if you're planning to download, get your free download for Windows 10, you want to make sure you're checking, you have your updates, Windows updates set to automatic, so that when it does download, your computer will be ready. Click over here on the Windows icon and click on settings, and you get the same thing again over here. Now if I click on the Windows icon and then X, I get this. Okay, program and features, and there's your old control panel. That was part of the start menu on Windows 7. So all in all, you can organize it to fit the programs you had in Windows 7. Set them up at the start if you want them there. Put them on your desktop. There's a control panel. Now anyway, what I had to do in order to fix the problem that I was having, because like I said, it tried to download the Windows 10 update, and it failed like 8 or 9 times. So I did a little research and saw that a lot of people are having problems. So what I had to do is go to the Windows download. So clicked on the hard drive C, and there's Windows, and then I went to software and distribution, and then on this download, this was what was causing the problem with me. This was corrupted, so I had to delete all these files. And again, it's not going to work if you do one at a time, because they're kind of connected, so you have to do it all at once. So the first time I did it, I started to do one at a time, and then it wouldn't let me, so I had to highlight the whole thing and then delete it. Of course, I'm not going to do it now because it's working for me now, but this is what I had to do. And then I had to go back to the command prompt and restart the Windows update again, and it fixed it. And I really do like it. So I'll come back with another video to show you some other features, but I'm really pleased with it. And I also like Cortana here. I didn't think it would work on this computer because it's 6 years old. It does work nicely on the other one, but you can get weather facts. Press on the, click on the mic. Sing a song, Cortana. Sing a song. Sing a song.
On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed.
Well, she can do a lot of things. She can remind you of certain meetings that you might have, give you the forecast for the weather. So there are a lot of things you can do. So I really like that feature on Windows 10. And so I think this will be it for this video. And again, please subscribe to the channel. And again, my main focus on this channel is math tutorials. So again, if you have any ideas for math tutorials, just post them. And as usual, please subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video.